Hello and welcome to Toyland. Peppa and Susie Sheep is going down the slide today. Who wants to go down the slide first? Peppa Pig is going to go down the slide first. She climbs up the steps. What? Whee! Oops, sorry guys. I know it's a bit annoying, that noise, but I'll try and block it out. Here comes Susie Sheep. Whee! And all of a sudden, after they have slided down the slide, they hear thunder. Bang, bang, bang. Uh-oh. Peppa, Susie, there's gonna be a storm coming. It's gonna rain. Ah! Watch out, hailstones! It's raining skittles. Oh no! The park is full of skittles. Hey, look what appeared! It's a Kinder Joy egg! Yay! Peppa and Susie's gonna move out the way. Oh, look at all these skittles, everyone. As you know, I have opened a lot of Kinder Joy eggs on my channel. I've counted up to 15. This is my 16th video on a Kinder Joy egg. As you know, I like Kinder Joy eggs and Kinder eggs. And this is what my channel's all about. Let's have a look at the treat first. Ooh. Oh, just the classic treat that everybody knows. The camera, sorry guys, the camera's not really leaning very well today. There we go. Oh, and we're gonna eat the treat later. Put it to the side. And open up our other side. Oh hey, that rhymes. Oops, I ripped it. What did we get? Let's dump it out and see what we really have. It's a Christmas toy! And it's not Christmas anymore, guys. We'll have a look at the flyer. It looks like some kind of a guy with a top hat. So what we're going to do is put them together. So let's do that right now. Okay, so I'll follow the instructions. And now we have our little man with his walking stick. Let's slide him down the slide. Whee! I have a really good idea. Let's count with all the smarties. We're going to count right up to 10. We'll count my skies up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. There, we got 10 skittles. And we're going to slide them down the big yellow slide. Oops! Sorry about that. Everyone is falling today, I'm afraid. Let's go. 1. 2. Oh dear, I think we need to move our slide a little. 3. Oh my gosh! Stop falling! This is really annoying me. Let's do it this way. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9 and 10. Some fell on the floor, and I'll get that soon. But first, I'm gonna eat the treat. And thank you for coming to Toyland. Please subscribe to our videos. Bye-bye. Before we say actually goodbye, did you see a little unicorn hiding in a video? If you didn't, go back and have a look. Now it's time to say goodbye for real. Goodbye.
We really hope you enjoyed this video for today. We're here to ask our fans for a bit of help. We only have 6 subscribers on Toyland, and it'll be really helpful if you subscribed. Here's the red subscribe button. And you can subscribe and you can turn on the post notifications so you can be a part of the Toy Squad. And for those fans who have already subscribed to my channel, we want to give a great big thank you.